Hey everyone, welcome to TJ's Kitchen. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this super moist chocolate chip walnut banana bread. Let's get started. For the ingredients, you will need some white flour, whole wheat flour, salt, baking soda, some room temperature butter, very ripe bananas. These are 2 large ones, brown sugar, and eggs. I also forgot to show the vanilla in that. Starting off, I'm using my KitchenAid mixer to mush up the bananas. If you don't have one, you could just use a masher. If you don't have a masher, you can just use a fork. To my mashed bananas, I'm adding in the butter and then the brown sugar, making sure everything's nicely incorporated. I'm adding in my eggs one at a time, making sure to mix well in between each egg, and also adding in my vanilla extract. Then here I'm just plopping in my flour, salt, baking soda. Gonna give that a quick mix. You don't want to overmix it here. And I didn't press record, but after that you're going to add in the chopped walnuts and the chocolate chips. Then in a loaf pan that I've sprayed with some oil, I'm just placing in my parchment paper so that the loaf doesn't stick at all. Then I am pouring over my batter mixture and flattening it out or smoothing it out with my spatula. After, I'm going to bake it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 50 to 60 minutes. Just check at the 50 mark, make sure that it's set. Let it cool for a bit before cutting it open, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.